Hello guys, Mike Viveros here. Today I'm really inspired. I'm working on this BMW 328i 2012. To me, this is the most beautiful engine bay that BMW has ever made. In fact, it's one of my favorite across the board. Check it out.
Look at how beautiful this thing is. You can see everything still on this car. You know when you're looking in here, you see an engine. I mean, look at this thing. A beautiful cover. You have the intake manifold with the runners still visible. You have the oil filter housing. You have the alternator over here. You can see the drive belt in there, all the moving pieces. Really cool. You have the coolant reservoir, the washer reservoir over there. Check it out. You want to know where to jump start your car? Right here. You have the strut braces right here for performance and rigidity of the vehicle. You have a ram air intake right here, straight to the intake air box. You have the power steering reservoir. You can see the lines. I mean, you can see some sensors in here. Pretty awesome. It's very beautifully engineered aesthetically and mechanically. This is one of the more reliable vehicles that BMW has made. I have a 2018 BMW X3M, and you look under the engine bay on that thing and it's hideous. You can't see anything but a bunch of plastic panels. It's really embarrassing, to tell you the truth. So this is one of the last gems that I believe BMW has made, especially in the engine bay. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Check it out.
Also guys, if you've ever thought of opening up your own shop and don't know how to do it, in a little bit in the future, I'm gonna have some links to show you how to do that.